Hello guys, it is my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Lazer Graphics and Multimedia. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create Facebook business page using your mobile phone. And a brief overview about Facebook business page is that a Facebook business page is quite different from Facebook personal account. One of the things you can do with your Facebook business page is that if you have a Facebook business page, you can use it to advertise your product, and you can also have access to a lot of services offered by Facebook, like Facebook Ad Manager. You can create Facebook advert or Facebook Instagram. So for every business that have online presence, it is the must for you to have a Facebook business page. So if you are the type that finding it difficult to create a Facebook business page for your business or for a personal reason, this video is going to walk you through step by step on how you can actually create your own personal Facebook business page. So without wasting much of our time, so let's get today's practical started. But before we get started with today's video, guys, if you are very new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you are my old subscribers, please stay tuned for the tutorial. So first thing I'm going to do, you can create your Facebook business page from your Facebook personal account. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on my Facebook icon. You can see it on the phone screen right here. So you click on it. This is my personal Facebook account. Okay. So I'm going to make a screenshot. So now when you open your Facebook account, you have to click on these three dots at the top corner. So I'm going to click on it right now. So when you click on it, it's going to present you with something like this. Okay. Now the next thing you have to do, let me make another screenshot. You have to click on here. So I'm going to click on it right now. When you click on it, so the next thing you can see, you'll be able to see your previous pages, and you can see from the screen here, I have a lot of business pages here. Okay, so this simply means that there is no limited number of business pages you can create as far as Facebook is concerned. So I'm going to make another screenshot. So you're going to click here. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is to click on the big button below, this blue button. You have to get started. Okay, so I'm going to click on it right now. So here you need to enter your business name. So in this regard, you have to know the personal name you want to name your business. You have to know all these things before you get to this point. So all you have to do is to just click on this bar and get your business name straight away. So in this regard, I'm going to name this Excel Store. So I'm going to click on next. So now the next page is that you have to, what category best describe this page? This simply means that what are the things, your services, what are the products you are trying to offer on internet. So in this regard, this business is going to be on shopping and retail. You have to click on it. Then beauty, cosmetic, and personal care. I'm going to add to that. Then I'm going to add personal blog and camera photo. You can add, I think you can add as maximum of 3 services to the business page, to the description of the business page. So you have to click on next. Now at this point here, you'll be asked to enter the address or city of where the business is located. So in this regard, I'm going to come here and I'm going to enter the city, which is Lagos, Ikorodu. You can see Lagos, Ikorodu. Koroduekpe. Okay, Mr. Maga. Okay, so you have to, if you don't have, if you don't want to add address at this point, you can just tick on this. I don't want to add an address. But if you have an address, just type your address there. There is no big deal there. Okay, so having entered my address via the Google search, so I'm going to click on next. So at this point here, if you have a website, you can enter your. If you don't have a website, tick on this and click on next. So at this point here, you'll be asked to add an image to your page. So if you tap on here, it's taking you to where you have to pick a picture that will represent your profile picture. So then if you tap on here, it's going to present you to your phone album where you have to add your cover page picture. Okay, in this regard, I don't have a page yet on this phone, so I'm going to click on done. Boom. So you have successfully created your Facebook business page within a very short of time, and this is how you can create your Facebook business page. And if you find a value for this video, please click on the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting video about Facebook and Facebook advertisement using your mobile phone. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.